welcome to UA.READY. This channel was created for teachers who want to earn more, save their time, and develop professionally. My name is Kate. I'm a professional prep tutor, and today I'm excited to share my personal story of how I went from having zero teaching experience, zero lessons, to earning over 16K just by teaching online on Preply, actually from my own home. I decided to structure my story in certain steps. So it's going to be a long story. That's why I'm going to name you the steps that we will follow. First thing first, we're going to have a discussion of what Preply is, how it works, and how it can benefit you as a tutor. After that, we'll talk about what you should do in order to create an outstanding profile that will catch attention of high-paying students. For sure, we will have to pay a lot of attention to this category because this is the key part that can either help you earn more or lead you to having no success at all. Besides that, we're going to have a discussion on how to create a winning lessons, resultful lesson that not only help your students speak better, but also motivate them to study with you from months to months, to keep having lessons and to keep them subscribed. Besides that, I'm also going to have some tips and recommendations on how you can boost your teaching experience, earn more, and save your time. And for those teachers who already have their accounts on Preply and those who are looking for some materials, I have a special surprise. Just check the description for this video. You will find the 25 lesson bundle which I use with my high-paying students. Check it out, you will love it. My high-paying students love it as well. So I definitely will be happy if you like, subscribe, and comment this video. We'll be happy to see you in my next video as well. And thank you for watching this part. See ya in part 2. Bye.